Okay, this is to President Joe Biden. You see that, sir? That is muscle fiber. Basically, there it is right there, muscle fiber. There's the same sort of stuff. It's muscles or tendon fibers, and they are gigantic on the Earth, absolutely enormous. The Earth is constructed of creatures, and so is Mars. We're headed to Mars totally blind, absolutely blind. All right, President Biden, I'm asking you to require the universities to examine this. They have to examine it. This is some form of a bone. This is the tendon part, and this runs into the muscle. It can totally be understood now. And to deny to look at it and then go to Mars and spend all this money, when these are the things that are on Mars right now, I'll show you. Okay, sir, this is the Mars crab. That is an artery, and that is a vein. The vein sucks the blood back up to the heart. That spits out the blood into these, what they call sarcomeres. These are layers of muscle fibers embedded with layers of fleshy red tissue that has eroded out. These are the separations that there's no question what it is. And you must have someone around there that's an anatomist, a doctor, or your wife. Just ask your wife. This is how to handle it. Talk to your wife. Okay, sir, these are the same as the Mars blueberries. These are what's called, they call them concretions, but they are not. They are what's called interstitial balls. And the mud that erodes away was the flesh that was embedded in. I literally discovered those. I didn't discover these balls here, but I discovered what they were, which is interstitial. And they're on Mars, too. Same thing. They call it the Mars Morse code. That's on Mars. That's the skin gathered together. That's the skins pulled apart. The balls remain because they're tough as hell. The straps are a little weaker. They erode. That's skin pinched, and that's Mars. And the scale, I'm not exactly certain, but it's pretty damn big. Everything is made of biology. Even Comet 67P. I studied that extensively. I have the spectral analysis of it, everything to do with that. I understand it intimately. I know exactly what it is, and it is also biology. Okay, that's what I just showed you, which is up on Mars. It was called interstitium. I discovered it in 2012, 2013, right in that area. I researched it, and now they say, ooh, it's a brand new organ. And interstitium gets damn big. You see these balls all in here? That is what restores your skin, which is here, back to where it's supposed to be. When the ocean comes in and erodes your skin, because you are a giant, your balls end up laying here below because they fall out of your flesh. Okay, President Biden, here's what I expect is someone to contact me. These are lungs. These are rocks, but they're lungs, gushing blood, DNA certified human, 100%. I have the results of the test. Someone get a hold of me. I want a response to this. I expect a response, and I deserve a response, and I won't walk away from this. I'm sorry. That's just of my nature. I do not walk away easily, and this is not going to happen. So one way or the other, somebody's going to have to contact me from your office or from somebody in the government, or you give me an acknowledgement that Yale and the rest of them have to examine this evidence. It is so overwhelming. CAT scans, DNA specimens, anatomists, chemistry. How can it possibly be dismissed without even looking at it? To me, that is a legal issue. It's called fiduciary failure, and I want it resolved. Thank you, sir. Now, I am a U.S. citizen. I'm an Army veteran. I volunteered for the Army. 1968, I went in right during the Tet Offensive, February 11th, 1968. So I deserve some kind of consideration here. Just have my evidence presented, have someone address it. And so far, zero has happened. I don't want to get upset, but it upsets me every day of my life now for the last 10 years. Now, we're going to Mars, absolutely blind, like we just following people that have absolutely no idea what they're doing and will not respond. I expect a response. You're the president. I expect a response. You're a straight shooter. I'm a straight shooter. If you can tell me that I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. Present your evidence. I present mine.